everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve desktop on Discord app problem, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Discord, and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.